Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a quite sensitive topic. My Instagram has been deleted by Instagram and I am going to tell you guys the story of how it all went down. I'm also going to be eating for moral support and because I'm trying to be healthy because I'm going away soon. So last Monday I was at school and I was in chemistry class. Mind you, I don't do anything in chemistry because chemistry is not my thing. I'm dropping it next year, so I just chill. And I was like, let's just go on Instagram because like I can't live for 45 minutes without Instagram. So basically I have Instagram down on my Chromebook because how am I going to go on Instagram because they banned phones in my school. I clicked on the application and it said your account has been logged out and I was like literally freaking out because I didn't know what was happening. Like I didn't even log out of my account. So then I told my friends to check if they could see my Instagram account because I knew obviously something was wrong. So they did and it said no user found. So basically I literally started crying. Like I wasn't even like in chemistry class, everyone's just doing their work and I just started bawling my eyes out. I don't even care. I was devastated because of all the work I put into this Instagram account. Many of you may think it's like pathetic to cry over Instagram and I do think that as well because it's like superficial, but like the hard work that was put into it is the reason that I have a right to care about it that much. So my friends were giving me moral support. They were like hugging me like, oh, it's gonna be fine. Afterwards, I don't know how, I told like 3 people and then literally every second person I saw throughout the locker room came up to me and they were like, oh my god, I heard your Instagram was deleted, I hope you're okay, I'm here for you, you need to talk, blah blah. Anyway, so then one of my friends took me to the side and we tried to revive my Instagram account. Nothing happened, nothing worked. And I was obviously stressed out. Like I didn't know what was happening. Like my life was just like gone. And I literally didn't know what to do. Throughout the day, I was like crying. I didn't know what to do. I've said that 500 times. Mind you, I didn't do any work in the classes that I had next because I couldn't focus on anything. I had literally 50 tabs open on how to revive your disabled Instagram account. At lunchtime, I literally, I realized that nothing's gonna happen if I don't try and make anything happen. So I sat down on my Chromebook and tried to figure it out. The only thing I got from Instagram was a message saying that I violated their terms of use for pretending to be someone else. I was really devastated. I sent them so many forms of ID and I sent them so many forms of ID, like my passport, my school ID, and nothing happened. But then they sent me an email saying, take a photo of you with this code, your name, your full name, and your username. So I did that at lunchtime. I quickly got my phone out. I'm sorry for any teachers watching this if you are. And I was in the locker room sobbing. I sent it to them. 3 minutes went by and I didn't get an email from them because usually I got an email from them after 2 minutes maximum because we had a chat back and forth. It was probably with a robot or something because their messages were very automated sounding. Yeah, so in maths class I had literally 2 periods to do my work. I didn't do anything. So I got home that night, sent more ID for, I literally by this, at this point right now, I've literally sent over 150 proofs of ID that it's my account. Instagram just needs to up their game. That was my day. Let's fast forward to 2, 3, 4 days later, whatever. Basically I went without Instagram for, well, I still don't have my Instagram account, freaking Instagram gay. No replying to my emails. I've learned to live without it. It's been very hard. My sister let me scroll through her Instagram feed to feel the satisfaction of scrolling through a feed with nice photos because I have my second account, but scrolling through her feed really hit home. I commented, I liked photos, I went through her Instagram stories, but just for the satisfaction of being on Instagram. Instagram is my life and going without it was a very big challenge. I've been trying to stay positive. It's been very hard. But you know what, literally 10 people came up to me and they're like, Masca, this happened for a reason, everything's gonna be fine. And I was like, I understand what you mean, maybe this is God trying to teach me to get off my phone and get some exercise because, maybe it is a message, but right now, I don't know how I'm coping, TBH. I feel like I explained it like I was so relaxed, but I was literally panicking all day when it actually got deleted. Now I'm more calm and I'm understanding that there's more to life than Instagram, but it's still very hard because all the photos. I'm literally going to Queensland in a week. I'm gonna get so many photos. Where the f am I gonna post them? Like, dude, I'm not just gonna make a Facebook album with all my photos. Ew, gross. No, not gross, but like I want to post them on Instagram. So I'm speaking with food in my mouth. This is gross. So now my mission, my goal is to try and get it back. Now once I'm finally calm, alright. Just in one thread of emails, there's like 60 emails that I've sent them over the past week. People sent me on Snapchat, they're like, because I asked for like, does anyone have any connections to Facebook or Instagram, blah, 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 to like someone who works there, and people, oh, that was a good crack. And people were like, why don't you try email them? Dude, I couldn't deal with it, like. Thank you for the advice, but I've already tried doing that, and nothing is happening, nothing has worked. If I don't get my Instagram account back, I'm literally going to not live. No, that's too dramatic. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life, to be honest. I'm just trying to get it back right now. There is more to life than Instagram. It's still really hard. I've sent them so many proofs of ID, so many emails, so many freaking like forms and shit that you can do an Instagram help center, which doesn't even help at all. Literally doesn't even help. Like, if you have a problem with Instagram, don't go to the Instagram help center. It's not gonna help you. Instagram needs to up their support network, and they're like deleting it. Like, why the f are you disabling accounts? Like, it's just like random robots. But yeah, this is my little update. I'm on my journey to get my Instagram back right now, but we will see what will happen in the future, and if I get it back, because I will actually kill someone if I don't get it back. No. I just came out of my shower, so my hair is not done, whatever, but anyway. I love you guys so much. Please pray for me. If anyone has any connections to Instagram, like someone who works in Instagram or someone who works in Facebook, please let me know. I need to contact a real human being and not a robot, please. Hashtag pray for Mascot. Alright, love you guys, bye. Bye.